What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to leave a mark by drawing the super bright highlight bros from the YouTube Kids app. Now we're going to be drawing two identical bodies, but their expressions are unique to their character. Let's start with the outer edge of the body. Starting on the top left, start with a straight line going across. Now I'm going to line this up over on the right side and do the same thing. Now I'm going to round up the top corners of the body. Bending this down along the side. Do the same thing on the inside. And we'll repeat that on the right. Let's extend this all the way down towards the bottom of the body. Starting on the left, goes all the way down towards the bottom to right about there. Let's go to the right side. Draw that same length line. And we'll repeat this on the right. Now just like we did along the top, we're going to round out the bottom corners, moving down and bending them in, and we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go all the way up to the top and draw the base of the markers. From the top corners, we're going to step in. We want to draw a curve that goes up and in. And we'll close off the top with a straight line. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to step in, goes up and in towards the same height. And we'll close off the top with a straight line. Now I'm going to draw on the top of the marker. From these 2 points, I'm going to angle this up and in towards the top. And we'll close off the top with a curve. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Going up and in. And then we'll round out the top. Now you come all the way back down towards the bottom and draw on the legs. We're going to start by leaving a gap in the center. Let's step over toward the left. Draw the inside edge, coming all the way down towards the bottom of the foot. Let's line this up on the right. Coming all the way down towards the bottom. Now let's do the same thing on the right. Again, leaving a gap in the center. We'll start on the left side with a straight line. Move over towards the right and do the same thing. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet and just pull that back in towards the outside of the ankle. Let's start on the left. Coming down from the heel, round out the foot, and then bend that back in. Do the same thing on the right side. Let's move over and do the same thing on the right. Now from the outside of the ankle, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Now halfway down the side of the body, we're going to draw in the arms. Let's start on the left side. We're going to bend the arm going out, down, and then in. Let's line this up on the inside, go around, and then in. Now let's do the same thing on the right. Lining this up, out, and then back in towards the body, and then we'll line that up on the right side. Now you want to round out the bottom of each arm, all the way around, and then back up, and I'll trace that curve, go around the inside, and back in towards the side of the body. Let's do the same thing to each of the arms. Again, just rounding this out, following that curve back in, now with both bodies in place, let's add in the faces. We're going to start with the one on the left, starting with 2 ovals for the eyes. Starting from the top left, come down, and then back up. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing, drawing that same sized oval. Let's draw a small oval in the center of each eye for the pupil. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Now just below the eyes, we're going to draw on the mouth. Let's start with the top edge with a curve, coming down and up. Let's round up the side of the mouth, going around and then in. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Down the middle, and then back up. Let's add the tongue along the bottom. Starting on the left, curve this up, and then down with a half circle. And then fill the top of the mouth in black, going around that tongue. Now with the character on the right, we're going to fold the brow on top of the eyes. Start by lining up the top of the eye over on the right. Fold the brow coming down, and then bend that back up. Now you want to draw the same size oval underneath the brow. And start on the left, come around towards the bottom, and just tuck that up underneath. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing. Now I want to draw the same size pupil, but we're going to shift these over towards the left. Starting on the left side, oval, move over towards the right, and do that again. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's add the mouth in the center. I'm going to start with a curve going up and then down. Let's round out the bottom on each side. And we'll close off the center with a small curve. Now let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of the Highlight Bros from the YouTube Kids app. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.